In today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily install new apps in Jira and Confluence. From your home page, you can see the top tab there. It says Apps. Let's click on that. And you have a few options here, from explore more apps to manage your existing apps, or to view app requests in case that an existing user sent a request for a new app. We're going to go to explore more apps. I'm gonna just tick the box to get only the free apps here, just to make sure that I don't sign up any new trials by mistake. So we're gonna just go ahead and try to install GitHub for Jira, being a free app. You're presented now with an overview of the app and a few features. You can even go to the support tab here, and you can get in touch with the guys if you have any questions about the app or about the cost or anything related with the app itself. You can even read the reviews from other developers or other users, what's wrong with the app, or what they didn't like it, or what's really nice about it. Okay, we can go ahead and click on Get App. Again, you're just presented with a short overview what actions the new app is going to take. It's going to delete the data from the host application, write data to the host application, read data from the host application. Next, just click Get It Now. So Jira, it's adding GitHub now. Okay, easily to get to manage app, or you can just do it from the top there just to see how it's installed. Let's click Manage App, and it shows us all the already installed apps. It shouldn't be too many. It's still searching. Okay, and now you're presented with a few options here. You can either go to the documentation. You can again get in touch with the support, or you can even uninstall it if you decided not to use it anymore. Or let's say that you just go through the trial of 30 days and you're not happy with it, and you can easily uninstall it from here, or you can go ahead and purchase a license. Actually, for Jira Cloud, you don't need to purchase the license. After the trial, it's gonna automatically generate an invoice. So please keep in mind that sometimes the trials are just for 7 days or 30 days, depends on the app. So yeah, set yourself a reminder and come back here, like if you decide not to use it anymore. For Confluence, it's pretty much the same process. Let's go to the Confluence homepage. And at the top, you have apps. Let's go ahead and find new apps. Again, I'm gonna just select free for all teams, and we're gonna go ahead and let's install Google Drive. Okay, again, you're presented with a few features. You can go through this and just read and see what the app does and what it offers. Again, you have a support tab here. You can get in touch with the support team. Let's click Get App and Get It Now. Confluence is adding now the app. This time we're going to go to Manage App from the top. You can see it's the same process. It's going to open just the user installed apps, which is just Google Drive for me. Again, you can expand that. You have an option to uninstall it, version, support if you have to go in touch with them, any sort of marketing listing, or even watch videos about how to use the app. Okay, that's it. I hope this video was helpful, and I look forward to seeing the next one. All the best.